Bill also was my friend. And as the sister was talking about not deserving and somebody else should have it, and it reminded me of a conversation I had with Bill one time. He said to me, "Why would God want me?" I said, "Bill, why would God want any of us? But He loves us." The old Dottie Rambo song says He looks beyond our faults and He sees our needs. I thought of this song today, and I'm going to try to sing it. And I tell folks I'm asked to preach, or I'm called to preach and asked to sing. So I've been asked to sing, and I'm going to try to sing this song. It's entitled, "Who Am I?" When I think of how He came so far from glory, came to dwell among the lonely, such as I, to suffer shame and such disgrace, on Mount Calvary take my place. There I ask myself this question: who am I? Who am I that a king would bleed and die for? Who am I that He would pray, not my will thine for? The answer I may never know, why He ever loved me so. To an old rugged cross He'd go, for who am I? When I'm reminded of His words, I'll leave Thee never. If you'll be true, I'll give to you a life forever. I wonder what I could have done to deserve God's only Son. Fight my battles till they're won, for who am I? Help me now. Who am I that a king would bleed and die for? Who am I that He would pray, not my will thine for? The answer I may never know, why He ever loved me so. To an old rugged cross He go, for who am I? Can I sing that chorus one more time? Oh, who am I that a king would bleed and die for? Hallelujah. Oh, who am I that He would pray, not my will, thine, Lord? The answer I may never know, why He would ever love me so. To an old rugged cross